What's the list, Randall? We're here at Mod FX.
You got Jay Monet.
My name's Justin.
And he goes by Bizarre GTR on Instagram, so I'll be sure to link it. But my man is the youngest in the world with a 2020 GTR. And he's also one of the first in the country to put stars in the roof. So we're gonna show you a quick overview of this installation, show you the results of how it came out, and we're gonna let you check out this car, so y'all stay tuned. All right, so now we're in the GTR. Once again, it's a 2020 Nissan GTR. And as you can see, you have the roof illuminated. We have stars in the roof, and so I'm gonna let Justin, they're both named Justin, so I'm gonna let Justin show Justin how to work it, and he'll go over a little bit of what he had to do to get this roof in this vehicle.
All right, so this is a 500-piece kit for this GTR. GTR is fairly small, probably a little smaller than most vehicles, especially a Mustang. 500 stars definitely looks like a lot more than it actually is compared to other vehicles. But this one is controlled by the Bluetooth, of course. You know, mess around with it, all the colors you got, all the features. We got different modes, dance with the music. We got slow, speed up, or stop the twinkle if he wants when he's driving. Let's see. So right now we have it at the max speed, so it gives it like that glistening look. Or if he starts up the car, especially you'll hear with the exhaust. Could you start it off for me real quick, Justin? So it'll go to the sound of his exhaust. You can mess with the sensitivity, probably slow it down or negative it. There you go. So it doesn't catch the exhaust as hard, so it still has that jump to it. We got, you know, different little features, different colors, whatever he chooses to want. 7-color, RGB, all that. And then, you know, he can save his custom colors if he finds a particular color. Let's say his car is red, so let's just say he likes red a lot. We'll pick this one. Boom. It'll just stay saved there all the time. So he can switch whatever color, but go back to his color every time he wants.
All right, that'll work. So once again, this is a quick video of a Nissan GTR 2020 star headliner roof installation that we did. And as y'all can see, y'all see how it came out. So if you need anything, if you don't have a Mopar, feel free to reach out. Doesn't matter, we got you. Don't be afraid to let us know what you got in mind, and we'll make it happen. All right, y'all be safe. Peace.